For entertainment news, the recent Village People Awards celebrated notable industry personalities with Marian Rivera and Alden Richards leading the honoraries for their outstanding performances. Sam Martos for the entertainment news.
At the recent Village People Awards, various personalities in the industry were recognized and honored. Leading the pack is the one and only primetime queen Marian Rivera, who received the awards as Movie Actress of the Year for her unique performance in the movie Rewind and Viral TikTok of the Year. According to Marian, the awards she received served as an additional inspiration for her to continue creating beautiful films and content.
Nakakataba ng puso, kaya siguro itong recognition na ito isang inspirasyon hindi lang po sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat na patuloy tayo gumawa ng mga magagandang pelikula, magandang content, kasi doon tayo sa magpapasaya sa iba, magpapasaya sa sarili natin at higit sa lahat para sa taas, maging inspirasyon tayo para sa ibang tao. Salamat.
Besides that, Alden Richards won Male Actor of the Year for the film 5 Breakups and a Romance. Also awarded were Karina Bautista, Bayburi, Maris Racal, the tandem Don Bell as Primetime TV Actor and Actress of the Year, and Katie Lex as Afternoon TV Actor and Actress of the Year. Apart from the artists, awards were also given to various personalities and business owners such as Scarlett Karen, MJ Felipe, Papa Jack, Miss Glenda of Brilliant Skin Essentials, and many more. Meanwhile, various renowned influencers were also present among those who received awards. This is Sam Martos for EuroTV Showbiz News.